application nodes, okay, on the server. Okay, so in the application nodes, we will have for each instance, for each customer instance, they will be having more than one nodes. Okay, one. Let's do one thing. Let's add some nodes, right? Yeah. So one. Okay. Uh, 2, 3, 4 nodes. Okay, 4 nodes. All these are linked to. All these are linked to database. Okay, all these are linked to database. Okay, these application nodes and application nodes like 1, 2, 3, 4, or for our developer instance, PDI instance, we used to have only one application nodes. This is like whenever there is an down on the some servers. Okay, the customer servers are maintained in different regions like EMEA or APAC or your Americas. Okay, so we have, okay, so if one database is down, it will shift to other database or something. Okay, other database, and these application nodes plays an important, like for example, if some users are connected to this node and they will get the information via this node. Some users are connected to the fourth node, some users are connected to the second node or third node. So there will be some load balancing, that is called load balancing. Okay, it will do a load balancer. Load balance. Okay, load balance. So it will switch, okay, between these load balance. Okay, so if a user, for example, say this is a user. Okay, this user interact with Snow. Okay, all these are called client. Okay, client side. Okay, so then from this here it will go to load balancer, and it picks appropriate node. Okay, application node, and then it will fetch the data and return back to the Snow. Okay, so that is called a request and response. Okay, so the request and the response, it will go here like this. Okay, request and response. Okay, when the user request and the response goes from this way. Okay, this is client side and this is server side. Okay, and this is in between you have application nodes or load balancers or okay, some other platforms if you have any mid servers or something. Okay, so you remember this structure. Okay, you remember this structure. Okay, why? Because in going forward, we will be using some of the points. Okay, what are the nodes? All these things. Okay, so now this is totally application service now architecture. Okay, now coming to our log files, use of log files, our section. Okay, how we use log files to determine to troubleshoot our now platform. Okay, Um, so ServiceNow log files are a great resource to help you solve platform issues. Okay, so there are three main categories of log files. Okay, one it is files on the application nodes. Files on application nodes. Okay, there are some files on application nodes. Okay, I told you right before. So these are the application nodes. Okay, so there are some files. So the data will present here in the application nodes to determine who did the transactions, how the transactions happened. Everything will be in the application nodes. So there are some files on the application nodes. Those files we call as a local host. Those file we call as a local host. Okay, threads and XML stats. Okay, okay. So using so there are local files. Okay, local host threads and XML stats. Okay, and second one is remember these terminologies. Okay, and second one is tables. Okay, in the database. Okay, they have log files, log informations. Okay, logs or transaction logs. We call that tran, mm, transaction logs. So I will show you while giving you demo. Okay, everything. Okay, and third one is other logs such as a mail, load balancer. Okay, and mid server. All these we have. Okay, so these kind of log files we have like three types of log files. One is localhost, transaction logs, or a mail server or something. Okay, for example, um, if a user, okay, a user, uh, FIELD field. Okay, if a user not able to edit the field, what may cause? Okay, ACL or UI policy. Okay, either a server side or a client side. That can be. Okay, we don't know exactly. And the form loads slowly. Okay, what it can be. Okay, it can be like database issue. Okay, database issue or nodes. Okay, anything. If a user did not receive a email, okay, then um, then what may be mail server issue or mail server issue or users Outlook issue. Okay, it can be anything. So to determine where exactly the issue is, which ACL it is, which UI policy it is, which business rule it is, so okay, which which nodes issue is, which Outlook, which server issue is. So we will use these log files to determine. How we will determine the log files? We will see some demo. Okay, we will see some demo. Okay, before going to demo, so now let's see. Um, do you know deleted records? Deleted records. Okay, so deleted records. Okay, transaction logs. Okay, stats. Okay, localhost log. So all this you should know. Okay, so in this section we are going to discuss mostly on these things. Okay, first deleted records. What is deleted records? If any record is deleted, okay, and the table is audited, okay, then those record details will be available in deleted records. For example, let's go to our ServiceNow system. Okay, so go to incident table. Go to incident because incident tables are audited. Okay, so for example, if I delete a 9005 record, delete. Okay, so it will be available in deleted records. Deleted or records. Go to deleted records. So see, 9005 is available in the deleted records. Okay. Um, okay. So what can be deleted? Okay. What, for example, some records are not tracked. Okay. So tables, for example, if you don't want to track CMDB table or anything, so there is an attribute called no audit delete field to set to true. Okay. So if you don't want to audit any table, okay, no audit delete. Okay, this parameter should set to true. Okay, by default, all these prefix tables are not audited. Okay, um, okay. So image field types are not restored. Okay, for example, if you want to restore some of the deleted records, for example, if you want to restore this record, okay. So what you will do, you will open this record. Okay, there are two options: undelete with the related and recover entire operation. What is that? Okay, so if you let me explain. To recover this one, to recover deleted record. Okay, so what we will do? Undelete with the related. Okay, that means the record, the deleted record will undelete it. Okay, for example, if I click on this one and type S and OK and close. Okay, undelete. Yes, and OK. Okay, so the rollback is OK now. Close. Okay, so now go to incident records. The 905 record is appeared. Okay, 905 record is appeared. Okay, from here so it lost the record. Okay, um, what is for example, if I go back. If I open any other incident, let's go to task SLS or anything, any CMDB record, or let's see what is there. ALM hardware record is there. Okay. So to give you some example, okay. So do one thing. So task underscore SLA. Okay. Dot list. So if I open this one, if I open this incident, this is then related task SLA and delete. Oh, sorry. Let me open it and delete it. Delete it. Okay. So if you go to audited table, you will have incident and task. Okay. So if I open this incident record, if I click on undelete with related, okay, yes, and okay, close it, close it. Okay. So go back to incidents. So what is the number of the incidents? Let's see. Let's open this incident. So you will have the incident SLS also. Okay. So because this is the parent one. Okay. So you are deleting the parent record. Okay. You are deleting the parent record, but not also when you delete the parent record, the child records are also automatically when you restoring the parent record, the child records automatically will appear. Okay. For example, if I delete this one, okay, and if I go to audited table, and there is a task SLA. So if I recover this one, okay, let's open the task SLA table also. Task underscore SLA dot list. Okay. So here 50 record is not there. So for example, if I am recovering this one and delete with the related, okay, and yes, click on OK, close. Task SLA if I refresh. So you will get the SLA definition, but you will not get the task. Okay, for example, if you search with 50, there will be no incident because it didn't cover. Okay, it did not delete. It did not restored. Okay, when you delete this task SLA, because this is a child. Okay, when this if this is a child, then if you undelete with related, so there are no related for this child. Okay, the parent will not restored. To restore the parent one, what we need to do, for example, go to our delete. Okay, undelete this one also. Yes, okay, close, delete now, deleted. There is no delete. Okay, so go to deleted records, deleted records. So open the task SLA. So to restore the parent incident also, then we will recover the entire operation such that the parent also automatically will recover. Okay. So you need to click roll back here. Okay. Roll back. Yes. So what all the parent and child, everything will be recovered. Okay. Now if you see the 50, the record is there. And if you open this one, the task SLA also there. So that is the difference between um, that is the difference between undelete with related and recover entire operation. If you recover entire operation, then the parent also will restore. If you undelete with related, only the this one and the child ones will be restored, not parent. Okay, so that's the difference between these two. That is deleted records. Okay, now now we know um, now we know what is delete and deleted records. Okay, deleted records. So we understand how the deleted records will be shown, where the deleted records will be shown, and how it will be restored. So now going to transaction logs. Okay, and stats and log host log. Okay, so let's see these three. Okay, transaction log. So in the last term, I will give you one real-time scenario. Okay, how we use transaction log, stats, and localhost to recover the deleted records. Okay, something interesting. Okay, let's see. Let's see. So I think you all know that stats.